Today is Monday, October 20th. There's Mommy and Squammy. Let's see what they do.
What's William doing?
I don't know.
Where's William, Steven?
I don't know. Where'd he go? Let me see. There's Mommy and Squammy too.
Hey, what game is that? What game?
What are you doing, honey?
Game.
You gonna put anything? Okay. Today they're coming to take the tree down, hopefully. Here's my wife and Squammy. I'll call tonight if I get a chance. I won't have any time because I got to take him to Boy Scouts, but that's only registration tonight. Pikachu? What are you doing, honeys? Okay, let's go out. You're going to see the tree. This is the backyard. The tree's going to come. Supposedly they're coming today. Take this dead tree down so it doesn't smash my shed. And there it goes. There's our backyard. Okay, that's the backyard. Let's see if we can get one. I took part of the fence down and made a path for them so they can get in from the back to take the tree down today. Okay. Inside the house. Go inside the house. Go inside the house. There's Squammy, and there's Mommy.
But have you eaten the golf?
Squammy and Mommy. Mommy makes Squammy. There's Mommy, there's Squammy. Mommy makes Squammy, and Squammy love Mommy. I can't believe that popped out of you 10 years ago. Almost 11 years ago. He got bigger, didn't he? Mommy makes Squammy, and Squammy love Mommy.
I'm doing this for your own good. Stop resisting. Run!
There's a Daniel.
But we're safe in here.
Daniels are useful items. They bite and scratch you,
Like buttons. Girls like dogs.
but they do good math.
Like video games. Girls
Right, Daniel?
make up.
Why am I making these stupid videos? Oh, in 20 years you can watch them, see how we used to live. You're still alive by then.
Am I in the wrong room?
Here's Squammy.
You know, all week people have been asking me what I wanted for my birthday, and he's given it to me.
Okay.
He's given
Are you
me
watching
a
this?
place. He
Huh.
likes me for who I am.
Do you want me to leave you? I'll come home at noontime. You want me to make out a check then?
Them and for their world.
What makes you think they're...
He gives me goo goo and skull squisher.
No, I'll make out a check. I'll leave it on the kitchen table.
When are you gonna leave it?
You'll see me all right.
Let me guess. 7 o'clock at night. 7 o'clock.
They probably won't be coming until about 9.
Who's the boy again?
Hey, what about us? Aren't you gonna change us?
Okay. Let's go see what it's like outside today. It's our front yard. Okay. What else is happening?
Deadly, Jack. A ghost?
Nope.
Look, there's, okay.
Any germ or a ghost.
Daniel's in soccer. Daniel has registration tonight for Boy Scouts, right, Daniel?
Shut up. Shut up.
There's Mommy and Squammy.
You're stupid.
Squisher.
He's so
Oh
dumb.
my gosh.
He never said anything in 1992. He hates us still.
Okay.
That's what I have girlfriends for.
What else is happening? Not much.
Timmy Turner.
There's backpacks. What else is happening? Okay. I'll continue the video tomorrow. We'll take a video after the tree's down if they come. Okay.
Shut up, Stan.
But she catapulted you out of a party.
What else is happening?
I'm gonna turn you off.
And that never would have happened if you hadn't made me a girl.
You gonna turn me off?
No, I'm gonna turn you off.
Okay. That's it for today. Bye-bye now.
Edward, and Edward. Could just be impossible.
There's a Daniel. Let's zoom in on the Daniel. Daniel's proud. He got 65 in spelling.
Shut up.
This is William. Get down, William. See you. There's William. There's Daniel. We just came back from the shore yesterday. We went to Ripley's, believe it or not, in Atlantic City, and we went shopping by my mother's house down the shore. Okay.
On the next episode of Pokemon.
There's my wife. There's my son. There's a wife.
At work.
This is a wife. These are children. Get down. Will you get down? Get down.
And at work. Why do you want the 90s kisses?
There's one Mommy and Squammy.
Why do you want them?
Daniel and Squammy.
No.
It's stuck.
Get over here. No. Leave your ruler alone. Come here.
There's William. William is in 2nd grade. What's grade William in? 2nd? No, kick Daddy. Daniel is in 1st grade. He was left back 4 times.
Just use code MCD when ordering.
Get down. Hey, get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.
1st grade.
Are you ready for this?
Stop it. Stop it. This is my son's. Now let's go see the tree that was cut down outside. We're gonna go see the tree that was cut down outside. Here's our yard back here. That tree was cut down. Tree was cut down there. We had it cut down last week. It was dead. They cut down both trees. Okay. Here's our backyard. There's our backyard. Okay. Let's go back in. Let's watch Linda read and watch her credit bills get
What
bigger.
is out?
My wife is reading the newspaper. I'm a real funny guy. There's a William and Daniel. William kissed Daniel.
William kisses and outward.
Only thing standing in the way of ending. They go
And outward.
full of nuts. You may be headed home, but it's not out of the woods yet. Let's get a back seat.
And outward.
Okay, go over there.
In theater Saturday, November 1st.
No fish for harm during the making of this film.
Get down, William. Stop clawing on the furniture. Get down.
By a T-Rex who's dishing out some serious attitude. And he's huge.
I found.
Nobody's gonna stop him.
I found the green one.
He just got trashed.
I got the green one.
You got the green one, honey?
I got the green one.
Good, honey.
Must have been somebody eggs. But you'll be back and you'll be ready.
You're gonna go shopping this morning?
Yes.
Yes, for figurines, right? Want to buy another 800?
You know, shut up, Stephen. Keep it up. I'm gonna break that thing.
Okay. I wouldn't be so mad if you paid off your credit cards.
What?
I wouldn't be so mad if you had paid off your credit cards. I told you a long time ago, give it up, but you didn't listen.
You don't listen either.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Where do I listen to you? Why should I listen to you? You are no example.
Neither are you.
You know, we bought the house with my money, not yours, remember that. What'd you contribute? What'd we get for our marriage? $5,000. What'd I have to use it to pay off your stupid credit cards? Let's see. There's my... Should throw out all your stupid figurines instead of the toys.
My figurines don't take as much space as the stupid toys.
Yeah, you're gonna be divorced soon too.
Good.
There's my wife. Listen. There's my sons, Daniel and William. Daniel and William. All right, here. Let's see what else is happening. Let's take a read outside. There's the new dresser I got. The air conditioner out of the window. And there's air conditioner. Okay. That's all for today. I'm gonna go get it.